So we will do few questions related to chemical kinetics. So the first one is find the rate of the following reaction and you are given the initial concentration of NO and O2. दोनों के इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दे रखे हैं और रेट दे रखा है फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ NO2. प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है, उसकी रेट दे रखी है, इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दोनों रिएक्टेंट के गिवन है और हमें इसका एक्सपेरिमेंटल रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन लिखना है. सो वी हैव 4 एक्सपेरिमेंट्स डन. सो रेट एक्सप्रेशन जनरल में हम लिख सकते हैं एज रेट इज इक्वल टू अ रेट कांस्टेंट इनटू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ NO to the power x and O2 to the power y. We don't know x and y. We will find the value of x and y. From experiment 1, what do we get from experiment 1? Rate is equal to 0.096 which is equal to rate constant. NO का concentration है 0.30 to the power x और O2 का भी 0.30 to the power y. Experiment number 2 से we can state that 0.384 is equal to K into concentration of 0.60 to the power x and 0.30 to the power y. From experiment 3 we can state 0.192 is equal to rate constant into 0.30 to the power x into 0.60 to the power y. And from experiment number 4 0.768 is equal to K 0.60 to the power x and 0.60 to the power y. Now let this be equation 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to get the values of x and y. So what we will do, we will select the terms in which the x are same. So where are the x term getting same in expression? 1 and 3. x कॉमन टर्म्स आ जाएंगे. एक पावर जो x है उसमें कंसंट्रेशन NO का इक्वल है और y की पावर निकालनी है तो x की पावर निकालनी है तो हम y वाले टर्म्स कॉमन लेंगे विच इज़ इन एक्सपेरिमेंट 1 and 2. सो फर्स्ट यूजिंग इक्वेशन 3 and 1 we will take experiment number 3, equation 3 and we'll divide it by equation 1. So what do we get? We get this as 0.192 divided by 0.096 is equal to K divided by K, 0.30 to the power x and 0.60 to the power y, divide by 0.30 to the power x and 0.30 to the power y. ये टर्म्स कैंसिल आउट हो गए. सो व्हाट वी कैन गेट इज वी कैन गेट दिस इज 2 और ये क्या आ रहा है 2. तो 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 टू द पावर y. दिस मीन्स y इज इक्वल टू 1. तो y की वैल्यू आ गई 3 और फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से. नाउ वी विल टेक सिलेक्ट द इक्वेशन 2 एंड विल डिवाइडेड बाय 1. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू गेट? 0.384 divided by 0.096 is equal to K 0.60 to the power x, 0.30 to the power y, and here it is K 0.30 to the power x and 0.30 to the power y. So the common terms will cancel out. We will have 4. So 4 is equal to 2 to the power x. This means x is equal to 2. So the rate expression now is, it is rate is equal to K concentration of NO to the power x. Now x is 2 and O2 to the power y which is 1. So it is second order with respect to NO and first order with respect to the O2. So this is the first type of question. If you are having a tabular form, you will have x, y concentrations like concentration of the reactant in a similar manner. So select that in such a way that you can get cancelled out the power x and rather the y powers are getting cancelled out. And then we can solve and we can get the rate constant. Now the second question is, you have the reaction in which NO reacts with Cl2 to give NOCl. Data are given but here initial concentration of NO and Cl2 is given and the rate of disappearance of Cl2 दे रखा है, इसका disappearance. और फोर्थ में इसकी रेट नहीं दे रखी, वो गिवन नहीं है. हमें रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन लिखना है, रेट कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू निकालनी है, उसकी यूनिट निकालनी है और इनिशियल रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ Cl2 इन एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4 ये भी फाइंड आउट करना है. So the first thing that we will do is we will write the rate expression. The rate expression is rate constant into NO to the power x and Cl2 to the power y. ठीक है. Now given experiment 1 क्या है 0.15 which is equal to K. NO की concentration है rate is 0.60. 0.15 to the power x and 0.15 to the power y. This is from experiment number 1. Experiment number 2 we write like 1.20 is equal to K, 0.15 to the power x, 0.30 to the power y. Experiment number 3 we can tell 2.40 is equal to K, 0.30 to the power x and 0.15 to the power y. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4 में रेट नहीं पता मुझे, ये ब्लैंक है. K 0.25 to the power x and 0.25 to the power y. Now with the help of equation 1, 2, 3 we need to find the rate expression and 4 से इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. So first we will do second equation we will take and we will divide it by the first equation. Here you can see the common term NO की concentration equal है. तो 2 का रेट कांस्टेंट 1.2 है, डिवाइड हो रहा है फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन 0.6 के रेट कांस्टेंट के साथ k इंटू 0.15 टू द पावर x एंड 0.30 टू द पावर y. एंड नाउ हियर यू हैव द टर्म k 0.15 टू द पावर x एंड 0.15 टू द पावर y. 2 times, so you get 2 is equal to 2 to the power y. This implies y is equal to 1. The first order है with respect to y. And if you now take the expression of the equation 3 and you divide it by 1. 3 और 1 में concentration of Cl2 same आ रही है. 3 में है 2.40 as the rate और 0.60 for first equation. It is K into 0.30 to the power x and 0.15 to the power y. K 0.15 to the power x and 0.15 to the power y. It will cancel out 2 times जाएगा, ये कट जाएगा, ये इसमें 4 times आएगा. So 4 is equal to 2 to the power x और x is equal to 2. So second order. तो रेट क्या एक्सप्रेशन हो गया K into NO to the power 2 Cl2 to the power 1. This is a rate expression. So rate expression we have done. Now rate constant K की वैल्यू निकालनी है और यूनिट निकालनी है. So how will you get that? Rate constant expression we have as rate is equal to rate constant into NO to the power 2 Cl2 to the power 1. Now कोई भी इक्वेशन का रेट ले लेते हैं 0.6 एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 से. K ये 0.15 टू द पावर 2 और ये भी 0.15 टू द पावर 1. So K is 0.60 divided by 0.15. So we have rate constant now as 0.60 divided by 0.15 to the power 3. ठीक है. When we solve this we get the value of rate constant as 177.78 mole to the power minus 2 minute to the power minus 1. So this is the unit of the rate constant. और third part था to get the value of the rate for the fourth experiment. Experiment number 4 का rate निकालना था. We had to find the rate. So rate is equal to K into 0.25 to the power 2 into 0.25 and rate constant we got, so we can substitute as 177.78 into 0.25 the whole cube, and when you simplify this you get 2.778 m molar minute to the power minus 1. So this is the answer that you get when you find the rate for the fourth experiment. ठीक है. So this is about the second question. Now discussing the third question. ठीक है, the third question is the rate constant for a zero order reaction. The rate constant for a zero order reaction is 0.0030 mole per liter per second. How long will it take for the initial concentration to fall from 0.1 molar to 0.075 molar? So how long will it take? We need to tell that.